Noise and lag when creating indicators is like yin and yang. Generally, when you want to reduce the lag of an indicator, you reduce the length. This increases the noise and vice versa. This is always the trade-off, sadly. However, in 1964, Savitsky and Golay, two statisticians, aimed to get the best of both worlds by creating the Savitsky-Golay filter. This filter allows us to smooth our charts to avoid noise, whilst keeping key market moves and peaks intact. This can allow us to create lower noise and more accurate trend-following techniques. So that's why we, at Chart Prime, created the Savitsky Flow Bands. This indicator is an advanced trend-following tool that smooths the price and dynamically adapts to trend bands to visualize directional bias. Once loaded on your chart, you will see green and red lines. As you all probably guessed, green signifies an uptrend and red a downwards trend. Firstly, we have our basis line, which is our dotted trend-following component. When this turns green, it's generally a good time to buy, and when it turns red, it's more likely to be a good selling opportunity. Here, for example, we see our low lag basis line turn green after a downtrend, signifying a perfect opportunity to long the market. We've also built in dynamic trend bands to take this one step further. You will notice that this green line that follows closely to the basis line forms a zone. This zone acts as an area that can help identify breakout moments or exhaustion areas where reversals are more likely. For example, here we can see we are in an uptrend and our basis line turns red as part of a smaller retracement. We then come down into this zone, and this makes a perfect setup for a long position. Notice how after the price enters this zone, we see a strong bounce and continue upwards. When price breaks through this trend band, it also signifies a significant shift in trend direction, adding to our confluence for trend identification. Diamonds are produced, acting as signals for this exact event. Our band line also fades over time as a trend continues, meaning that a reversal is more likely, further serving as a piece of reversal confluence. For Chart Prime Pro users, you of course have our powerful trend assistant, making a perfect low lag unique trend following tool which can help pinpoint reversals and potential bounce zones. But back to our indicator here. For traders that prefer a lower lag experience to catch smaller moves, the length can be decreased so we can focus on those shorter term trades. And for traders that prefer to swing and avoid noise, this value can be increased. Using unique mathematical filters in our indicators can really help give us the best of both worlds whilst avoiding lag and keeping relevant data. This stops us getting faked out and making larger losses, and therefore maximizing our profits. So if you want to get this indicator 100% free, search for Savitsky Flow Bands and use this one by Chart Prime. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more indicators like this, don't forget to subscribe and join our Discord.